look what you did to my hair. Look what you did to my hair. What happened to your hand? What's that? What are you doing? It's a heart. I love heart. Oh, that's a nice heart. Wow. Look what you did to my hair. Can you give the heart to mommy? Look what you did to my... Look, fix my hair. Help me fix my hair. Look what you did to my hair. Do you like mommy's hair? Do you like mommy's hair? Why? Why? Why you love playing with my hair? Hey, why you love playing with my mommy's hair? I'm asking you. Why? Why you like playing with my hairs? Why? 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 Because is it soft? Oh, is it nice? How about Tito's hair? How about Artu's hair? How about Tito? It's hard. It's hard on here. How about Tito's hair? How about hard also? How about Tito's hair? It got no hair. He got no hair.
Does Tito have a hair?
It's missing. There's a missing hair.
It's like an airport. You know what's airport?
Aray ko! This is the Spider-Man kiss. Did you know that? Come on, let's try the Spider-Man kiss. Come here. With mommy and son. Like that. Aray! Ouchie! Ouchie! Dami niyang ka-text, oh. Oh, ganyan mabilis po sumunod sa ka-text. Tapos, screenshot nyo na lang. Binidyo nyo, kanyari nag-video lang kayo, diba? Tapos, kunyari, tapos aura-aura ka, ganyan-kanyari nag-tiktok ka. Tapos, gusto mo masilip yung ka-textmate nung partner nyo, biglain nyo mabilis na gano'n na andar. Kunyari, wala lang. Tapos, pag na-save nyo yung video, screenshot nyo. Mababasa nyo yun. Oh! Post! Tapos screenshot. Diba? Nakilala nyo kagawin mo. Ano, okay lang usapan. Nahuli mo. May mahuli ba ako dyan?
Wala kang mahuli dito.
Wala akong paki kahit mahuli. May mahuli ako. Okay lang, pag ako may nahuli.
Ano?
Magpapadami kami ni artist. Diba yun lang? Kuha tayo mga pitong-pito.
Baliw.
What are you doing? Huh? I'm dancing. Did you know that you're, ano?
Tawad ng tawad. Wala namang mga kasalanan.
Where's my cake na dyan? Let's go. Grandma is very bored. Lalandi ng mga bata ngayong panahon na. Nasa isip niya. Lalandi ng mga bata ngayong panahon na. Ang panahon na namin, ay naku, bawal magdikit-dikit sa mga sapatos ng ano, sa mga PDA.
Bigat lang.
O di ba mga yung kwento mo, yung si Lola, ninakawan lang ng halik, tapos kinasal na, di ba? Di ba? Kasi lang kayo magkakapatid, ilan?
Well, dami.
Pero ni-rape lang daw yun.
Kahit ate ko, ganun.
Ha?
Kahit airport mo.
Ha?
Ganun lang. Magkano ikaw na ba? Eh, siyempre, pag nagdidikit ka yung unang panahon, parang kailangan mo panindigan mo na. Gano'n. Yan, ginawa niya ba? Tinanan niya.
Bakit?
Ha?
Bakit?
Ewan ko, di ko naman
Ito